What up, people? Jay here, back on another wonderfully hot ass day in Texas. Today, you are going to view me trying to work on this deck. This old crappy thing here, a little bit dusty, whatever. It's gone. Toss that away, and we're going to focus on this new thing right here. So, I have a bunch of skateboard decks, a lot of blanks, because I was doing like some carving, some artwork on these things at one point in time. So I figured, let me put one of these things to use. So this obviously is wider. Oh, let me show you. So as you can see, it's probably like a good 2 inches, 1 3/4 inches on each side wider, and longer for one. You can see there, it's going to extend past. I'm going to extend past the tube, the front part of the frame on the scooter, so that it'll kind of hang in there, or the tube will hang in this area here. It won't just be in the front as this deck did. This piece here is going to slide into the back in yonder, in this little ding ding area right there. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna chop it up, bring you guys along for the ride, and see what we could do. All right, so this is what we're looking like thus far. As you can see, there needs to be some cleanup, some alignment issues like around in this area here, but I'm gonna use a router and a sander, smooth it all out. But all in all, it's wider for one. So let's continue with it. Everything looks nice and even, super smooth. Now the question is, what color? All right, so here comes the fun part. Trying to align the holes on the actual scooter frame and drill holes in the deck. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our trusty marker and wanna see if this works. I'm gonna like color in just the tops, just to see if it'll make a little imprint, or what do you want to call it, a little mark on the back side of my deck, just so I'll have a spot to drill. Let's try it. Kinda. One here, one there, one there, and one there. I'm gonna measure out, see what the difference is from the hole to the edge. That way it'll give me a somewhat even hole distance to figure out where I'm supposed to go with this thing. Okay, that should be it. What I'm gonna do is drill these a little bit bigger, slightly bigger, just so they can catch, because it seems like I'm always off like a fraction. All right, so you know what just dawned on me, and I know you guys are probably like,
Jay, why don't you just use the previous board that came with the scooter to use those holes to line it up?
yeah, just clicked in my head, you know. Wasn't thinking, probably a little too anxious, but. All right, so finally, after much digging and screwing and drilling and scraping and whatever, here it is on there. Ooh, I am not 100% satisfied, but for one try, it's pretty good. Not bad. I have like one blank skateboard deck left. I don't know if I want to use it. I think I'm good with this. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup work. But yeah, that's where we at. So, what up, people? New day. And today we are going to embark on a new mission, little experimentation, if you will. This could screw it up, or it could make it look very, very sick. So we have here these fork bars that are usually on the front end of the fork. This is for the 26-inch fork that I previously had that was like a little too bent. So what we're gonna do, we are going to mount these to the side. We're gonna give them a little bend, drill these into the frame of the scooter, and see if they work. Let's jump into it and see if I don't completely screw this up. Okay, so right here is where I want to put this. Mount this up to along the side. Kind of curve it along this rear piece here. Now, let's see if I can back up. All right, so as you can see, we have it starts to curve right in this area where my index finger is. We're gonna mount it up about right there. Yeah, about right there. But as you can see, there is where the twist at. It's like super close to the frame. So what I'm gonna do is put this spacer in between the frame and this fork bar, just to give it a little bit of space so this doesn't rub up against the frame, but it just gives that little bit of appearance that it's gliding off or hanging off. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna tape it up and then take some measurements. And basically what I'm doing is just trying to get an eyeballing it. The end of this hole, the edge of this hole, lined up maybe with the edge of the holes that mount the deck up. So pretty much what I'm gonna do, let's give myself a little tick there. So definitely make sure you get the right type of bit that can go into metal. And if you're of age like myself, definitely get yourself some knee pads so you don't, you know. So let's start drilling. Stuff a little foul. Definitely file those pieces down. We have one of these self-tapping screw hole jigs. Alright, so this is my spacer. It's like a little nylon spacer. Was trying to find chrome spaces, but the only place I can get chrome from is Amazon. And apparently that would have took a couple weeks just to get in. So I'm gonna work with this. It's gonna be hidden behind the board because I think the board is going to overlay it a little bit, but we're gonna try this. I'm gonna cut it at about maybe halfway. That should be a space enough, wide enough to work with the actual bar that I'm gonna place there. So let me do that first. I'm gonna place that there, hook up the bar, that way I could get a good measurement of where I need to bend it, start bending and how far I need to bend it up. Alright, this is a shortened one. FYI, memo to myself, use a Dremel tool to cut these down. For anybody else out there trying to figure things out, Dremel tools are your good friend. So let's try this. Boom. Okay, it's gonna go there, and it's gonna bend up right here. Pray for me. Oh. I think we got it. Let's try it. Seems like it's pretty on point. What I need to do now is drill a hole there. Let's see how far it sticks out with the I think that looks pretty sick. All I gotta do is do the other side. Alright people, here we are. Bars are mounted, bolted up to the frame, sturdy as can be. I was a little afraid that these would be like jingling and hitting the frame, but they're tight. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out pretty good. So far so good. I wonder what a chrome deck would look like. Don't know. Let's see what this looks like here. That's what we're looking like now. Excuse all the junk in the background. I probably should have said that 4 videos ago. But we working here. Garage bill. Oh. All right, people. So that's part 5. It's a new day. Part 5. You can see I'm as sweaty as can be out here. Let me get it on me. And remember, kids, safety first, especially if you're dealing with little metal shards and shit. And that type of thing, wood shavings, definitely get yourself a little respirator mask or one of the bigger respirators, dust mask, to keep all that stuff out of your lungs. Definitely don't want to get screwed up in the future or in the present with metal shards or wood splinters in your body. So yeah, safety first. Anyway, another video. Follow me, Instagram. Hey, it's Jay _80, I think. Definitely click the like button, subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you can see the final conclusion, the dramatic conclusion to the Project Lowrider build. Thinking the next episode should be the final, maybe. Yeah, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think so far. Appreciate all the love I've been getting on TikTok. Yeah, definitely follow me on TikTok. Same handle, ASJ_80. Check the description. You'll see the direct link or the direct handle you should be following. Anyway, yeah, there you have it. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this. Let me know how you like this little chrome trim around the frame, twisted trim around the frame that I just did. I think it looks pretty sick. I don't think I've seen anybody do that just yet. Of course, I didn't see many scooter builds, but I don't think anybody has did that just yet. Maybe I'm the first. It doesn't matter. It's all about the inspiration, inspiring other people. So anyway, I'll let you guys later. Thanks again for joining in. Deuces.